The unexpected discovery of the Audi R8 evokes a sense of excitement, capturing the thrill of uncovering a dream car in remarkable condition. The team's enthusiasm underscores the rarity of such extraordinary finds. However, challenges quickly emerge as the inoperable air suspension system complicates the loading process. The added difficulty of cold weather makes the team's determination even more commendable. Delving into the car's backstory reveals it was previously owned by the former homeowners who stored it after relocating. This narrative adds a poignant emotional layer to the car's restoration journey. The host vividly expresses excitement and nostalgia for the Audi R8, tying it to childhood dreams and aspirations. This personal connection enriches the narrative, reflecting a lifelong admiration for the vehicle. Viewers are invited to share their thoughts on the car's condition, creating an interactive space that fosters community and a shared passion for car restoration among enthusiasts. The importance of a thorough detailing process is emphasized, focusing on cleaning hard-to-reach areas like wheel barrels and engine compartments. Such attention to detail is vital for the success of the restoration. Beginning the car washing process with snow foam effectively loosens dirt and grime, setting the stage for a more comprehensive clean. This approach ensures a deeper and more thorough wash. Applying an iron remover and utilizing a clay mitt are essential steps for removing microcontaminants from the car's surface, preparing it for the polishing stage. This preparation is crucial for achieving a smooth finish. While cleaning, inspecting the car's interior reveals potential issues like dirt accumulation, highlighting the importance of interior maintenance. Ensuring the interior's upkeep is as significant as the exterior. The challenges encountered during cleaning, such as discovering spiders, illustrate how thorough attention can unveil hidden problems within the vehicle's interior. Cleaning the moldy leather seats underscores the necessity of maintaining car interiors for both aesthetics and hygiene, restoring them to a nearly new condition. A preference for clean carbon fiber in the car's interior illustrates how detailing can enhance the visual appeal and elevate the overall experience of owning a luxury vehicle. The cleaning process involved extracting carpets and conditioning seats to eliminate odors, significantly enhancing the overall interior appearance. Hot water extraction played a key role in this method. For the exterior restoration, polishing the paint and exhaust tips was essential, along with reattaching fallen components using 3M tape. This meticulous effort greatly improved the car's overall look. The final reveal showcased the car's transformation, embodying the satisfaction of the owner and the success of the restoration efforts. The car stood out, looking substantially better than when it was first acquired.